This is video 3 from July the 6th, 2025. Da Nang, Vietnam. I'm in the tourist section, obtaining some images. This is a motorbike rental place where you rent motorbikes for 100 VND a day. That comes out to about $3 a day. Well, there's another place around here that I can get a motorbike for a month for 1,200,000 VND, which comes out to about 30 bucks, and I can get that for a month. Another motorbike rental place. There's a ATM. They got a bunch of markets, 24-hour markets, small markets where you buy food and stuff. They're not as good as the Moon Milk market that I shown you, but these markets are on every street. Some of them, 2 of them in the street, and they got a bunch of pharmacies everywhere. Okay, I'm turning. I'm gonna go to a place where I eat at a lot. I like to see they got nice marble chairs outside, marble seating places where tourists can lounge around. There's Marble Mountain is about 4 miles away, and so they use a bunch of marble for their furniture and even for floors and stuff. See, there's another pharmacy. That's all you're gonna see is bunches. There's one pharmacy and there's another pharmacy. There's a market. Is everybody chasing the same nickel, That's what I call it. I got that from a Donnie Brasco movie. I go to this full market right here a lot. They sell alcohol in these markets and stuff. I'm talking about alcohol. Bourbon, vodka, wine. Let's see. Here's another place where I used to stay at. Mama's Hotel and Apartment. This is the first place I landed in Vietnam. It's very comfortable. It didn't cost too much. Right here, this is where I stayed at. I stayed here. Some nice staff up in there. They probably remember me. But yeah, I stayed way up there at the top. It's a nice place. And there's another pharmacy. See, there be laundry mats everywhere. I went and ate some, what was that, pizza in this place. Where is it at? Right here. Ate some pizza in this place before. I've tried a lot of the restaurants. Basically, I just eat at home though. There's another mart where you can just go buy cigarettes, coffee, beer, wine, whatever. I'll take it to where I play my pool. Well, there's another spot that I play billiards at. Yeah, this is the tourist section. Da Nang, Vietnam. It's all right, but you got to spend money to go inside. I spend. Like I say, I play pool a lot. Where is it at? Oh, I passed it up, I think. No. Oh, right here. At the A3 Floors Lounge. Yeah, this is where I play my pool at. They got, I think, 3 floors. And they got a bunch of big screen TVs. You see them? You can play pool here too. You just go buy a drink for 60 VND and you can play for an hour. And they don't really time you unless you just reserve. I mean, you're there for a couple of hours. There's another pharmacy. They got them everywhere. So it's just basically like this for 3 square miles. You're gonna see people walking around, and it's this is the beachfront, Da Nang, Vietnam. I'm gonna have to cut this video so I don't go past 7 minutes.